So our next example is find the value of x and y from the given equation. So here given equation is that 2 into matrix x 5 7 y minus 3 plus 3 minus 4 1 2 is equals to 7 6 15 14. So from this given matrix equation we have to find out the value of x and y. So let us see here. 2 is multiplied to the matrix here. So 2 must be multiplied to every element of that matrix. So 2x, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 7 14, 2y minus 6. So y minus 3 is there. 2 into y minus 3 is equals to what we get? 2y minus 6, right? Plus as it is 3 minus 4 1 2, which is equals to 7 6 15 14. So here addition of two matrices is there. So we must take the corresponding elements to addition. So 2x plus 3, 10 minus 4, 14 plus 1, 2y minus 6 plus 2, right? 2y minus 6 plus 2, which is equals to 7, 6, 15, 14 as it is. So to find out the value of x and y, you must take the corresponding elements. So here in this term we have the value x. So for 2x plus 3, what is the corresponding element to 2x plus 3? It is 7, right? Which is equals to 7. Then keep 2x as it is, which is equals to 7 plus 3 is there. Take it to RHS, it will be minus 3. Minus 3. So 2x is equals to what we get? 7 minus 3 it is 4. So keep x as it is. Multiplication of 2 is there. If you take to RHS it will be divides. So x is equals to 4 by 2 and what we get? The value x is equals to, it is 2. Right? Then to find out the value of y, here in this term we have the value y. So 2y minus 6 plus 2, the corresponding element to this is 14. Okay, so which is equals to 14. So 2y minus 6 plus 2 is, it is minus 4, which is equals to 14. Keep 2y as it is, as we want the value of y. So 2y is equals to 14, minus 4 is there, take it to RHS, it will be plus 4. So 2y is equals to 14 plus 4 is 18. Then y is equals to 18 by 2. Therefore y is equals to what we get? 9. Therefore the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 9. Yes, our next part is that multiplication of matrices. So what will be the multiplication of matrices? The product of two matrices A and B is defined if, here one condition is there to define the product of two matrices, that is the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. So if you consider two matrices A and B, to define the product of those two matrices A and B, you must have the columns of A, that is the number of columns of A must be equals to the number of rows of the another matrix B. That means in a matrix A, whatever the numbers may be in a matrix A, that is for the columns, those columns must be equals to the number of rows in another matrix B. So see here, let A is equals to Aij B m cross n matrix and B is equals to Bij B n cross P matrix. Then see here, when you consider A is equals to Aij of the order m cross n, what is m here? It is m rows and n columns, right? And what is another matrix? It is B, Bij. So the order is that n cross P. So n cross P. So similarly, what n refers to? N is rows and P is columns. Okay. So to define the product of these two matrices, what is condition? Columns of A must be equals to the rows of B. So what is column here? It is n. In a matrix A, n is the column of the Aij, right? Then what is n here? It is row in a matrix B. Therefore, columns of A is equals to the rows of B. Then only we can define the product of two matrices. See, if you consider one example, taking A and B two matrices, A is equals to, take 0, 1, 2, 1 and B is equals to 1, 2, 0, 2. Okay. So, to write the product or the multiplication of these two, that is AB. To write the product of AB, you must have the number of column of A must be equals to the number of rows, that is rows of B. So you can see here, what are the columns here? In A, 2 columns were there. Columns of A are 2, and how many rows were there in B? Rows, like this. These are 2 rows and these are 2 columns. So in B you have 2 rows, right? Then you can define the product of two matrices if the number of column of A is equals to the number of rows of B. Then how you can write the product here? See here, AB is equals to, how you can write, first row into the first column. How we are going to give the product of two matrices? We must take the first row, that is this one, and we must take the first column. How you can write? 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, that is the second element in the first matrix and the second element in that column in the second matrix. So 1 into 0. So how you are taking first row into the first column firstly, and then keep first row as it is, go for second column. This one, what is second column? It is 2 and 2. So 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. How you can write? 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Okay. So now we have completed first row with both the columns. First row with first column, once again first row with second column, and then second row with first column once again. So second row with first column means how? 2 into 1 plus 1 into 0. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Okay, and then second row and second column, right? How you can write? 2 into 2, 2 into 2 it is. So 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2. 1 into 2. This is how we are going to take the product of two matrices. Once again, first row into the first column, that is these terms. First row into the second column, you have to write here. Then second row into first column, these terms, and second row into second column, these terms. And then taking multiplication and addition. 0 into 1 it is 0 plus 1 into 0 it is 0. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0 into anything it is 0 only, plus 1 into 2 it is 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 into 1 it is 2, plus 1 into 0 it is 0. So we get 2, right? Then 2 into 2 it is 4, plus 1 into 2 it is 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. This is what the matrix we got by taking the product of two matrices A and B. So our next example is find AB if A is equals to 6923, B is equals to 266798. So to find out the product of two matrices A and B, you must check what the number of columns in A must be equals to the number of rows in B. So what are the columns in A? There are two columns, right? Two columns were there, that is columns are 2, and then you must check the number of rows in B. So how many rows were there? 2 rows were there. So rows were 2. Then if these two are equal, then you can go for the product of two matrices. So AB is equals to, how you can write? So first row into first column, first row into second column, first row into third column. Similarly, second row into first column, second row into second column, second row into third column. Like this you can take first row into first column, okay, first row into second column, right, then first row into the third column, then second row is there. So second row into first column, second row into second column, second row into the third column. Like that you have to write the terms here. So we'll write first row into first column. So 6 into 2 plus 9 into 7. 6 into 2 plus 9 into 7. Then first row into second column, 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9. 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9. Okay. Then first row into third column, another one column is there. So 6, 9, 6, 8. So 6 into 6 plus 9 into 8. Right? Then another one, second row into first column, second row into second column, second row into third column. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7. Then 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9. 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9. Then second row plus third column, 2 into 6 plus 3 into 8. See here, 2 into 6 plus 3 into 8. 2 into 6 plus 3 into 8. This is how we are going to write the product of two matrices. So next, 6 into 2, 12 plus 7, 9 into 7, how much? 63 plus 63. 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9, it is 36 plus 81. So similarly, 6 into 6 it is 36, 9 into 8 it is 72. 36, 72. 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into 7, 21. 2 into 6, 12 plus 3 into 9, 27. 2 into 6, 12 plus 3 into 8 it is 24. And then go for addition of each and every term. What do we get? 63 plus 12 it is 75. 36 plus 81 it is 117. 36 plus 72 it is 108. Then 21 plus 4 it is 25. 12 plus 27 it is 39. 12 plus 24 it is 36. This is what the product of two matrices A and B, which is AB is equals to 75, 117, 108, 25, 39 and 36. So our next example, if A is equals to 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5, B is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, then find AB and BA, and also to show that AB is not equals to BA. So you have to find out the product of two matrices AB as well as BA here, and also you have to show that those two results are not equal, right? We'll go for first AB. What is the condition to find the product of two matrices? You must be clarified with the number of columns in matrix A must be equals to the number of rows in matrix B. So see here, what is, we want firstly AB, right? AB we want number of columns 1, 2, 3. 3 columns were there in matrix A, and in a matrix B the number of rows must be what? 3 only. So how many rows were there in B? 1, 2, 3. So therefore the number of columns in a matrix A is equals to the number of rows in a matrix B. Then we can go for the product of those two matrices. So AB is equals to, how we can write? First row, first column, like this. First row, first column, first row, second column. Like this we have to take the multiplication of two matrices, right? Then see here, first row, first column, 1 into 2, minus 2 into 4, 3 into 2. So 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Similarly, first row, second column. So 1 into 3 minus 2 into 5 and plus 3 into 1. Okay. Then second row, first column, second row, second column. So minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Similarly, second row, second column, minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5, 5 into 1. Is it clear? So minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Then which is equals to 1 into 2 it is 2, minus 2 into 4 minus 8 plus 3 into 2 it is 6. Then 1 into 3, 3, minus 10 plus 3, minus 8 plus 10 and minus 12 plus 10 plus 5, right? Then how you can write this one? 2 minus 8 plus 6. What do we get? 2 minus 8 it is minus 6 and plus 6 it is 0. Then 7 minus 10 it is minus 7 plus 3 it is minus 4. Then 8 minus 8 plus 8 gets cancelled, so only 10 is remaining. And minus 12 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus 12 is 3. So this is the result for AB. Okay. Then try yourself for BA and check out what is the result for BA and whether AB and BA are equal or not. Okay? Yes. So what you got? AB as 0, minus 4, 10, 3. So let us take for BA. So here B is the first matrix and A is the second matrix. So for first matrix the number of columns and for second matrix the number of rows. So in B how many columns were there? 2 columns were there. So 2 columns. And in A how many rows were there? 2 rows were there. So then we can go for the product of these two numbers. Why? Because the number of columns is equals to the number of rows, right? So BA is equals to 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 1 into 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 5. So first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Similarly, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. So write down 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4. First row, first column. Okay. Once again, first row, second column. 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Then once again, first row, third column. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Okay. Then second row, first column. So it is 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 4. Then 4 into minus 2, that is second row, second column. 4 into minus 2, 5 into 2. Then second row, third column. 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. Similarly, for third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. So it is 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4, 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2, that is here, and 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. Therefore, what we get? 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. So 2 minus 12 it is 10. Minus 10. 2 into minus 2 it is minus 4 plus 3 into 2 is 6. So minus 4 plus 6 is 2. Okay. Then 2 into 3 it is 6 plus 3 into 5 it is 15. So 15 plus 6 is 21. Okay. 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 4. So 4 into 1 it is 4 plus 5 into minus 4 it is minus 20. So 4 minus 20 is what? Minus 16. 4 into minus 2 it is minus 8 plus 5 into 2 is 10. So minus 8 plus 10 is 2. Then 4 into 3 it is 12 plus 5 into 5 it is 25. So 12 plus 25 it is 37. Then 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4. 2 into 1 2. 1 into minus 4 it is minus 4. So 2 minus 4 it is minus 2. Then 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 2, that is 1 into 2 is 2. So minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Right? Then 2 into 3 it is 6 plus 1 into 5 it is 5. So 6 plus 5 it is 11. So this is the result of BA. And what is our condition? It is to show that AB is not equals to BA. So what is the result of AB? It is 0, minus 4, 10, 3. And what is BA? Minus 10, 2, 21, minus 16, 2, 37, minus 2, 11. Therefore, from these two, from 1 and from 2, we can say that AB is not equals to BA.